In this tutorial, you will learn how to download GTA Vice City for your laptop or PC in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. From your desktop, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Rockstar Games and press enter. Look for the official Rockstar Games website in the search results and click on it. Once the website opens, use the search option on their platform to look for GTA Vice City or browse their games section. From there you will see all the available GTA games including GTA Vice City. This was our first source for downloading GTA Vice City. Now let's explore the second option. Open a new browser tab and search for Steam. Click on the official Steam website link and open it. If you already have an account, click on login and enter your email and password. If not, create a new account by clicking on the sign up option. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top to look for GTA Vice City. Once you have completed either of these processes, and that's how you can easily download GTA Vice City in just a few simple steps using these reliable sources. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more.